afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Listening to the tone of the Lord from the mouth of Moses in our first reading, we can at least extract how the Lord knows what is best for us. To this God who knows what is best for us. Through Moses, the Lord wishes to see that indeed life is beautiful and to choose the otherwise is not. Dahil ang isang taong alam ang pinakamaganda at pinakamabuti sa atin, hindi naman sasabihin sa atin na piliin natin ang mas ikapapangit, mas ikagugulo, o mas ikapipinsala ng iyong buhay. But to the person who knows what is best for us means giving us the quality over things, the beautiful over things, and the greatest of all things. Such is God's willingness and goodness that for us to choose life, to choose what is good, to choose what will make others blessed and happy, and on the side of Jesus Himself, when He taught us to follow Him, to take up our cross daily, and indeed embrace discipleship. We are just on the second day of our Lenten journey, this Thursday after Ash Wednesday. And maybe to a lot of us, we are still discerning how are we to embrace and enjoy the discipline and the holy season of Lent. But before we do those things, before we pray, before our sacrifices, before our almsgiving, let us then first have this mindset that God knows what is best for us. What are the best things God wishes us to do? I know God wishes us the best experiences of prayer, the best experiences of giving life, of sacrificing time, talent, and treasure, not because we have some things to share, but this will be the best things we can also offer to others. God knows what is best for us, and to follow Him and yet taking our cross, denying ourselves, embracing the will of God, are but best things for us. Dahil hindi naman po hinahayaan ng Diyos na maging kapritsyo, maliit lang, cheap lang, o walang kasaysayan ang buhay at ang pagsunod natin. God wishes the best things for us and the best experience of life. As we continue to discern the good things to do during this Lent, let us have in mind that indeed God knows what is best for us. He would always present life and the otherwise, the blessing and the curse, the goodness and the badness of life. God knows and wishes for all of us to best and choose the best things that will make us fruitful, the best things that will make us alive, and the best things that will make us graceful.
Please stand.